What are some of the life lessons that you have learned through the game of American football?
Uh, I think when I hear this question, the first thing that comes to mind is just being tough. Uh, Everyone knows my dad in the city. He's a tough, loving guy. He always trains us to be tough in whatever situation that you do. I think playing this game of football, it taught me to be tough, on my own, away from my dad, and resilient. When times hit hard, to just always get back up on your feet and find another way, find another route. If this way don't work, find the other way, find the back door. But I feel like football is just one of those sports that teaches you a lot in life. But just when I hear the question, the first thing I think about is just being tough and being resilient when life hits you hard.
Yeah, and you make a great point. I mean, toughness, is not just physical toughness. We're talking about mental toughness and spiritual toughness, right?
Yeah.
And, be able to take on those shots that life will throw your way. It's crucial that you're tough, so yeah, and then the resilience, I couldn't agree with you more. Those are great answers.